Hello, today I've got a box of 2025 Topps Heritage Baseball. This is a value box, so nothing probably huge is going to be in here, but it's going to be fun. These are cool cards. I like the style, very retro flavor here. So let's see what's in this box. So we got 8 packs. Let's get it ripping. Got a pink glitter Adolis Garcia, Angel Chevalier, Jose Quintana, Jake Berger, Victor Robles, Dominic Fletcher, Isaac Collins, and Spencer Horwitz, Corbin Carroll. Next pack. Kyle Schwarber, Nick Sogard, Bobby Witt Jr. and leaders, Xavier Edwards, Mitch Haniger, got a glossy Nolan Gorman, Spencer Tomlinson, Matt Strong. Green border, Robert Suarez, Alex Bregman, Andrew McCutchen, Bobby Witt Jr., Donovan Solano, Kai Bush, 2007 Alex Rodriguez, Andrew Heaney, and Max Fried. Next pack. Jackson Holiday, father and son, the Biggios, Ceddanne Rafaela, Shane Baz, Christian Yelich, Jordan Westberg, Brandon Rogers, and Duke Ellis. Next pack. Another pink glitter. This is going to be Bo Bichette, DJ Hertz, Tyler Gentry, Ha-Seong Kim, Bo Naylor, Francisco Alvarez, Great Americans George Gallup, Nolan Gorman, and Brent Rocker. 3 packs to go. Tariq Skubal, Nick Castellanos, Luis Guerrero, Sonny Gray, Christian Walker, Glossy Brooks Lee, Jonathan India, and a regular Brooks Lee. 2 more to go. Got a green border Lucas Urseg, Ronald Acuna Jr., Tyler Phillips, Kybert Ruiz, Levi Jordan, Tobias Myers. Oh, look at this, an actual autograph in a value box. This is going to be Grant McCray. Very cool. I like it. Very surprising. Kumar Rucker and Brandon Drury. Last pack of the surprisingly great value box. Jacob deGrom, Reynaldo Lopez, Kerry Carpenter, Graydon Graceffo, Caden Dana, Nolan Arenado, Emmanuel Foss, and Mark Vientos. So not a bad value box at all with the autograph. Again, I'll pull it out. It's going to be Grant McCray. Very nice. All right. Thanks for watching this break, and I'll catch you on the next one.